Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy LB. Welcome back to my another tutorial video. Yeah, thanks. Hey, in this video I just want to show you how I create this fake, it's a fake cloud on drone footage, just like this, guys. This is pretty, guys. So before we jump on, guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave your thumbs up, and drop the comment down below, and then tell me how it is. Okay, tell me how we can do something big. Okay, let's jump on in action fast. Okay, come on. Yes, guys, as you see here in my Premiere Pro, I have the video clip which I'm going to use. This is the drone shot, and then this is my white smoke PNG, so you can download it from Google. So now this is my timeline, this is my clip which is on my timeline. So now I'm gonna add this white smoke here on the top, so I have to drag it and then I drop it here, the top of my clip. So now, guys, you see here when I play my video, you see there is no animation. This white smoke is still on the same position, on the same scale, on the same rotation. There is no animation on this smoke white. And then as you see here, when I play like this, you can't see the cool movement of this video. So now the things I'm going to do, I'm going to animate this smoke, because as you see here, my drone footage is moving from back to front. Okay, is moving from one direction to another direction. So now I have to click here on this smoke layer and then come here on effect control. So now I'm going to use for this scale and position. Okay, so now I have to come here on the beginning of my clip and I have to move up this smoke, but first I have to zoom this layer. Let me put it like 130. Yeah, this is cool. And then I have to move it up from here on the beginning where this smoke layer is started, okay, on the bottom. And then after this I have to add keyframe for this position. So because the reason why I'm going to use this position, my drone shot is moving from one direction to another. If it is moving, so for example my drone, if it is rotating, we can use also this rotation motion. Okay, so I'm going to use this position and scale only. So now, and I have to come back at the end of my clip, and then I have to animate my smoke. Yeah, it is a smoke, or just you can say smoke or cloud, it's the same. Okay, so now after putting some other keyframe here at the end of my clip, so now let me play and let's see how it is. So you see, guys, this is the cool animation of this smoke layer. Okay, so but it is not looking good as I want, so I have to click on it again and then come here on this blend mode. I have to choose the screen. You see, it looks like the really crowd, guys. Okay, and when I play again, this is how it is, and this is cool, bro. Okay, and when your cloud, it has more bright, or it is too bright, just you can use this opacity for decrease. You see how it is, can decrease. Let me put it at 70 or 80%. Okay, yeah, this is better. and I have to add some contrast on this crowd, and then it will be looks like real crowd. Okay, so now come here on this workspace, and then I have to choose this color workspace. Okay, so now let me go on this curve. Now you have to make sure this your layer is selected. Okay, so and I have to increase some curve just like this, guys. Okay, yeah, this is great, and I can increase some contrast just like this, guys. Increase or decrease. Okay, yeah, this is cool, and I have to add some colors on this clip here. So let me add some dark one here and the contrast, and I can use the saturation too. When I put some gray, it looks like real crowd, guys. Okay, yeah, this is cool. When I pray, this is how my crowd is moving the top of this city, guys. Okay, yes guys, I'm done. If you have any question, in the comment down below. See you in next video. Stay creative and peace.